Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can withdraw Alpha Coin Network to Binance. In order to do so, here we are at Binance.com. And in order to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any given time, giving you access to some of the top AI models available. According to Cider, to withdraw Alpha Network Coin to Binance, follow these general steps. First off, log in to your Alpha Network wallet, access your wallet or platform where your Alpha Network coin is stored. Find the withdrawal or send option. So locate the withdraw, send, or similar button. Then you're going to get your Binance deposit address. So log into your Binance account, go to wallet, fiat, and spot. Search for Alpha Network Coin. If it's not listed, you may need to find the specific token's BEP20 or ERC20 address, then click Deposit. Select the network that matches your Alpha Network Coin. Then you're going to copy the deposit address, double check the network type and address to ensure compatibility, and initiate withdrawal from Alpha Wallet. Paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount to send, confirm the details are correct, especially the address and network, and complete security checks. Follow your wallet's security procedures. Wait for confirmation. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain, and confirmations can take from a few minutes to longer, depending on the network's traffic. Then check your Binance wallet. After some time, your Alpha Network coin should appear in your Binance account. Always double check the network compatibility and test with a small amount first. Be aware of withdrawal fees. If you're unsure about what specific network your Alpha Network coin uses, contact the platform or consult official guides. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you will find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.